Hey everyone, I'm Ellen here at etrailer.com, and we're going to be taking a look at the Xtreme Series LED bulbs. These are a 9004 style bulb, and it also comes with the anti-flicker harness. So this is a great replacement for your factory bulbs to have a really bright light. They work well for high beams or use off-road or in rural conditions, and also for vehicles that have a CAN bus or PWM equipped vehicle. So these are going to be a really nice addition to your vehicle. They give you a very, very bright light. They're not really intended for city use, more for use out where you're not going to be blinding anybody with your headlights. So let's take a little closer look at what comes with our kit here. We're going to get two bulbs, one for either side, and also the corresponding harnesses. We also get some instructions, a sticker, some double-sided foam tape to attach our harness pack here, and then a couple of small zip ties as well to help us secure those down. I'm going to hook one of these lights up to power and ground so you can see what it looks like when it's powered on. So of course, whenever you're putting this into your vehicle, it is a custom fit, so it's just going to be a plug-and-play application, really easy to do. Shouldn't be anything that you need any cutting or splicing to get done. And of course you won't be using alligator clamps like I am. That's just because of the setup I have here in the studio. But these are going to be a very, very bright light. And there is a high and low beam function. So I'll turn my power on. You can see that light comes on, and then you can also flip the switch for the high beam, except I have this switched around, so we'll slide that over, and you can kind of hear that little whooshing sound. That's the fan going. So it does have a built-in fan system. So now you can see that high beam function. It gets a little bit brighter. Turn the lights out in the studio, you can maybe get a better idea of that. So that's the difference between those two functions. But it has an integrated cooling system, so that helps to extend the length of the bulb, or the length of life of the bulb, keeps it from overheating. It's also made of an aluminum housing, so that also helps to draw out the heat, and there's built-in fins here to again help let that heat escape. The collar can rotate, so you can get the angle of the light adjusted to fit in your housing. It's pretty easy to do, it just clicks around in that housing there, so you can make that adjustment once it's in place. This does again work for 9004 style bulbs that should look like this, should just plug right into your factory harness. The specs for these guys, the raw lumen output is 5,000 lumens, the effective lumens is 4,565, and once it's been on for about 30 minutes, that drops down to a stable lumen rate of 4,033 lumens. So what all those numbers mean, the raw lumens is basically the perfect world potential of the lights. The effective lumens is more real world light output that you can expect from these guys, and the stable lumens is just what happens after about 30 minutes. The power just drops down a little bit. The color temperature is 6,500 Kelvin, which is that nice white, cool white color, so that helps to promote better visibility at night. The wattage for each bulb is 43 watts. The power draw at 13 volts is 3 amps per bulb. The operating voltage is between 9 and 16 volts DC. They are covered by a 2-year limited warranty, and the bulbs are rated at IP65, so that means that they are impervious to dust, and they're also weatherproof. So really nice addition to your vehicle. I hope this video has been helpful in deciding if these are the right ones for you. Again, I'm Ellen here at etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.